Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SE 95 PS. Now the car is in a good condition and it has a decent spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Salou alloy wheels. Now the boot is a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a multimedia interface and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.